Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. So I'm going to be showing you how to get your price adjustments. Price adjustments are just discounts. Like after you've placed an order, in the first 30 days you've placed that order, Temu have discounts or price reduction in some of the goods. So if anyone is available, you have to apply for it. Okay, don't just give it to you until you apply for it. So if you have any order you're waiting to be delivered, the moment you place an order and you've paid for it successfully, start checking. Okay, so click on the U icon, you go to your orders, and then just scroll down where you have your order information. Just click on the whole item for you to see all the options. Scroll down and you will see the price adjustments. Click on it, and normally if there's any price adjustment available, you see displayed here just like mine. If none is available, they will tell you none is available, you should check back later. So now I have 19 cents. I have 1 cent off one of the goods I ordered, and the other is 18 cents off. So I'll click on request a price adjustment, and I'll click to receive in seconds in my Temu credit account and submit. Is that easy? A lot of people don't know about this, and they place order for goods on Temu and they just forget about it and wait for their goods to arrive, and that's it. Forgetting that they're leaving money, like you never know. Please make sure. And you see, I just got the email. Within seconds, literally, you get your price adjustment money sent to your Temu account. They do not waste time. So whenever you place an order, within the first 30 days you place that order, even after you received it, still go back to check. So I do this every day. I checked yesterday and I'm checking again today, and I got some cents yesterday, and here I am again. So tell me if you've done this for yourself and you've saved money. Let me know in the comment section. I'll show you how to locate your Temu credit. Click on you icon and it's there. Click on the credit icon, and you can see that yesterday I got a refund of 28 cents, and today I got 19 cents. So it's 47 cents. So if I keep getting something every day, it's surely going to amount. I mean, little drops of water makes a mighty ocean. So why not? Anyway, if you've seen value or you've had value in this video, please give me a like. Don't forget to share, leave a comment, and of course you can use my codes to download the Temu app and stand a chance to win free gifts for new app users. And if you want some percent off your order, there is also a code for that. Everything will be on the screen. Okay, thank you for watching to this point, and see you in my next video. Bye.